Students, today we are going to read chapter number 2 from your honeycomb book, A Gift of Chappals, pages 18, 19 and page number 20. So students, before reading the chapter, let's know something about the author, the main characters of the story and a gist of the story of part 1. So students, the author of this chapter is Vasantha Surya. Who are the main characters of this story? The main characters of this story is a young girl who is growing up in Madras with her grandmother. So Mridu is that young girl and she is growing up in Madras with her grandmother. So grandmother Tapi. Tapi is the second character of this story. Third is Thatha. Thatha, who is Thatha? Thatha is grandfather of Mridu. Rukumani. Who is Rukumani? Rukumani is aunt of Mridu. Lalli, Ravi and Meenu, they are all Mridu's cousins. So students, when we will read the story in part 1, we will come to know that grandmother takes Mridu to her aunt's house, Rukumani's, and she has got a number of cousins over there, and they have got a cat, and Ravi will inform her that the cat belonged to the past, and let's see what happens. Okay. A gift of chappals. A smiling Rukumani threw open the door. So now she has went with her grandmother, that is Tapi, to her aunt's Rukumani's house, and when she knocked the door, what happened? Ravi and Meena, so Ravi and Meena are cousins of Mridu, rushed out and Ravi pulled Mridu into the house. So Ravi is so excited that when he sees that Mridu has come to her house, he pulls her inside the house. Wait, let me take off my slippers, protested Meenu. She set them out neatly near a pair of large black ones. Those were grey actually, with dust. So Mridu told, wait, let me take out my slippers. And what she did, she went out and she put her slippers near a black slipper which was very dirty, which was very old. And in that slipper even the marks of big toes were visible. Okay, so what is the meaning of scrawny in the first paragraph? Suggesting skinny toes. Okay, second paragraph, students. Mridu didn't have much time to wonder about whose slippers they were, because Ravi dragged her to the backyard behind a thick bitter berry bush. There, inside a torn football lined with sacking and filled with sand, lay a very small kitten. So Mridu got no time to notice about whose those black old slippers were, because Ravi dragged her to the backyard. Now children, backyard is the area which you leave in front of the house or back of the house. Okay, so and what did she found there? There was a kitten who was lapping milk from the coconut half shell. Coconut half shell means जो coconut का brown cover होता है, उसको अगर आप 2 parts में break करिए, जो half shell होता है उसमें milk था और वो जो kitten थी वो अपने टंग से उसको लीप कर रही थी. We found him outside the gate this morning. He was mewing and mewing. Poor thing, said Meena. So what did Meena say to Mridu? That they have got this kitten this morning only. This आज ही मिली है outside their house, and the cat was mewing and mewing. It's a secret. So Meena क्या कहती है? ये एक secret है. Amma says Pati will leave Pati will leave for our Paddu Mama's house if she knows we have a cat. So Pati means grandmother here. अगर पाती को पता चलेगा कि हमने कैट रखा है तो वो ले जाके पद्दू मामा के यहाँ हमें पद्दू मामा के यहाँ छोड़ आएंगी. ओके. People are always telling us to be kind to animals, but when we are, they scream, "Oh, Don't bring that dirty creature here. So what do people suggest? People suggest that be kind to animals, be good to animals. But if we want to keep them at our home, if we bring them to our home, people start shouting, oh, don't touch this animal, don't keep them at home. Who said this? Ravi said this. Okay. Do you know how hard it is to get a little milk from the kitchen? Pati saw me with a glass in my hand just now. I told her I'm very hungry. So you know that the kitten drinks milk, and it is very difficult to bring milk for the kitten from the kitchen because Pati keeps an eye on Ravi. So Ravi tells Pati that he is hungry and he wants to drink some milk, and in this way he arranges milk for the kitten. Okay. I had to drink most of it to throw her off the scent. So Ravi has to drink most of the milk so that she doesn't doubts on him and understands that in reality Ravi is hungry and he wants to have milk. Then she wanted the tumbler back. Pati, I'll wash it myself. Why should I put you to trouble? I told her. So even she asked the tumbler to wash it, but what does Ravi says? Ravi says, don't worry Pati, why are you worrying so much? I'll wash the tumbler once I complete the milk. I had to run and pour the मिल्क इनटू दिस कोकोनट शेल. तो वो टम्बलर लौटाने के लिए जल्दी से रवि क्या करता है, मिल्क को ले जाके कोकोनट शेल में मिल्क को डाल देता है, उस कोकोनट शेल में जिसमें किटन मिल्क पीती है. एंड देन रन एंड वॉश द टम्बलर एंड पुट इट बैक बिफोर शी गॉट रियली सस्पिशियस. तो इससे पहले पाती को सस्पिशियस हो, उसके ऊपर शक हो, व्हाट ही डज, he put back the tumbler, washes it so that she doesn't doubts on him. Now we have to think some other way to feed Mahendran. So finally, who is Mahendran? So Ravi is saying we have to find some other way to feed Mahendran, to give milk to Mahendran. ये बहाने करके मिल्क ले आना किचन से ये ज्यादा दिन नहीं चलेगा क्योंकि पाती को डाउट हो जाएगा. Mahendran, this little kitty's name is Mahendran. Midhu was impressed. Why Midhu was impressed when she knew that this little kitty's name was impressed? Because it was a name of a human being, not only a cat. Mahendran is a name of a human being. That is why Midhu was very impressed when she knew that Mahendran is the name of the cat. So what is his actual name? Mahendra Varma Pallava Punai. So MP Punai for short. So what will become short form of this name? MP Punai. If you like, okay. He is a fine breed of cat. Just look at his fur. He is a very good cat. His fur is so nice, like lion's mane. Like lion's mane mean the hair which lion has got under his neck, that is called lion's mane. तो वो क्या कंपेयर कर रहा है, वो कह रहा है कि जो कैट का फर है किटन का वो लायंस की मेन की तरह है. एंड यू नो व्हाट द एम्ब्लेम ऑफ द एशियन पल्लवा किंग्स वाज? ओह, डोंट यू? ही लुक्ड एक्सपेक्टेंटली एट मृदु. वो बोल रहा है कि एशियन पल्लवा किंग का जो एम्ब्लेम था वो तुम्हें पता है मृदु? फिर सोचता है क्या पता मृदु को जवाब पता हो. So Mridu giggled, Mridu laughed. Think I am joking? Well, just wait. So Ravi is saying, Mridu, are you thinking I am joking? Wait. I'll show you sometime. It's clear you don't know a thing about history. So Ravi tells Mridu that she doesn't know anything about history. Haven't been to Mahabalipuram? Have you? क्या तुम महाबलीपुरम गई हो? कौन पूछता है? रवि. किससे पूछता है? मृदु से. He said mysteriously, well, whether our class went to Mahabalipuram, I saw a statue of his Thathas, etc. That means when in a school trip, Ravi went to Mahabalipuram, he saw that kitten's Thathas, that means grandfather's statue, very old statue. Fact is, महेंद्रन हियर इज डिसेंडेंट फ्रॉम दैट वेरी सेम एशियन कैट. तो महेंद्रन जो है वो पुराना जो उसके दादा परदादा के हैं उसी खानदान से बिलोंग करता है. अ क्लोज रिलेटिव, साइंटिफिकली स्पीकिंग तो उनका ये क्लोज रिलेटिव है ऑफ नन अदर देन द लायन, द पल्लवा लायन, एम्ब्लेम ऑफ द पल्लवा डायनेस्टी. ओके, रवि वेंट ऑन, रवि बड़बड़ाए जा रहा है, बोले जा रहा है. वॉकिंग अराउंड द बिटरबेरी बुश, waving a twig up and down, his eyes sparkling. This cat is a descendant of none other than the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat. तो ये जो इसके दादा के हैं उनका ये रिश्तेदार है और महाबलीपुरम ऋषि कैट से ये बिलोंग करता है. एंड आई मे जस्ट रिमाइंड यू, दे वर्शिप कैट्स during ancient time. So even he is reminding Ridu that during the ancient times in Egypt, people used to worship the cats. Thank you.